Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn a simple photo into a cute miniature nail artist animations that looks totally alive and it's so cute. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Biglr. You can open it through your website or the mobile app like this. And then next, just log in using your Google account. And once you're, and then don't worry about the credits because Biglr will give you free credits every day so you can generate videos without paying anything. And then next, once you're inside the Biglr, just go to template sections, this one, and then next just simply tap on search bar, this one, and then just search for the miniature nail artist live. Then next you will see the like this, and then next just tap on it, and then simply tap on use template. This is the template that will transform your photo into a nail artist animations. And then next just upload your best photo. For the best result, just use a clear photo with a visible face or hands. For example, I want to choose this one, and then after that just simply tap on create. It will take 40 credits. Just click on it and then go back, and then just go to mine and wait for the process. And okay, your video is ready. Let's try to play it. Okay, like this. It's so cute. The result, it's so cute and it's really realistic. And then next you can try with different photos to get the another unique result. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.